how to read deleted messages on WhatsApp without any app. So if someone has sent you a message and if they have deleted that message, or if they have unsent that message, and if you want to see that message without downloading any applications or any third-party devices, then what you can do is you can open up your settings, and under your settings you can scroll down and go for notifications. And under notifications you will have notification history. Tap on that, and here you will have notification history, right? So you need to simply scroll down, and here you will have all of the applications, right? So if you have received any notifications on your WhatsApp, then here you will have your WhatsApp notifications. You need to simply go for the right side, which has that drop down arrow. Go for that, and here you will have all of your messages that you have received on your WhatsApp. So if the other person has deleted the message, then you will have that notification here. So that's how you can read deleted messages on WhatsApp without any application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.